channel, and for this video our topic is all about some formula for cosine. So formula for cosine. So we have cos, quantity of a plus b is equal to cos a times cos b minus sine a times sine b. For example, number 1, find the exact value of cos 195 degrees. So, let's find 2 degrees that if we add them, the result will result 195 degrees. So, we have cos 195 degrees is equal to cos 135 degrees plus 60 degrees. So, our formula is cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. So let's substitute the value of a and b. So we have cos 135 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to cos 135 degrees cos 60 degrees minus sine 135 degrees times sine 60 degrees. Then, let's substitute the corresponding values of cos 135, which is negative square root of 2 over 2. The corresponding value of cos 60 is equal to 1/2 minus the corresponding value of sine 135 degrees is equal to square root of 2 over 2, and then the corresponding value of sine 60 is equal to square root of 3 over 2. So, let's multiply. So, we have square root of 2 times 1 is equal to square root of 2. Then, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Minus square root of 2 times square root of 3, we have square root of 6. Then, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, since they have the same denominator, so we have negative square root of 2 minus square root of 6 over 4. Example number 2. Find the exact value of cos 165. Solution. Cos 165 is equal to cos 120 degrees plus 45 degrees. So, let's substitute the value of a and b, and the formula cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. So, cos our a is equal to 120 degrees plus b, which is 45 degrees. So, cos a, we have cos 120 degrees, cos b is 45 degrees, minus sine a, which is sine 120 degrees, then sine b is equal to sine 45 degrees. So, the corresponding value of cos 120 degrees is equal to negative 1/2 times the cos 45, which is square root of 2 over 2, minus sine 120 degrees, which is square root of 3 over 2, times sine 45 degrees, which is square root of 2 over 2. So, let's multiply. So, we have negative 1 times square root of 2. We have negative square root of 2. Then, multiply the denominator, which is 2 times 2. We have 4. Minus square root of 3 times square root of 2. We have square root of 6. Then, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, our answer is equal to negative square root of 2 minus square root of 6 over 4. Example number 3. Find the exact value of cos pi over 12. So, first, let's convert the radian into degrees. So, we have cos pi over 12 times 180 degrees over pi. So, we have cancelled the pi. Then, 180 degrees over 12 is equal to 15. So, we have cos 15 degrees. So, the 2 degrees that will result into 15 degrees is negative 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. So we have to substitute these values to the formula. So we have cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos A is equal to negative 30 degrees and B is 45 degrees is equal to cos A, which we have cos negative 30 degrees, cos B we have cos 45 degrees minus sin A we have sin negative 30 degrees, sin B we have sin 45 degrees. Then the corresponding value of cos negative 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 2 times cos 45, which is square root of 2 over 2 minus sin negative 30 degrees is equal to negative 1/2 times sin 45 we have square root of 2 over 2. So we have square root of 6. 2 times 2 is equal to 4 minus negative 1 times square root of 2, we have negative square root of 2. 2 times 2, we have 4. Then, square root of 6 over 4 minus negative square root of 2 over 2, over 4. So, let's multiply the negative times negative, so it's become positive. So, we have square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4.